Hello, what's up people? How are you all? In today's video I'm gonna talk about huge news and big update. So guys, as you can see, I will show you. As you can see, the classic core version 0.5.22 has been released. This is the senior validator Edward of Terra Rebels, he said. And also this includes the past governance of 3568 4095 staking and 41519 distribution. The following pull request outline the updates. So guys, this is the update version 0.5.22, and this is already published and ready to install by the validators. So now validators have to install this update. So many of the validators already installed it, but we need big validators also to install this. If you know any validator, if you know any of them, please don't forget to tell them, don't forget to mention them to install this update, please, because we need them to install this update before. This is a conscience breaking update classic core, and we kindly request all validators update and chronology in the next 7 days. The block height by which you must update is before 9109990, approximately August 26, 10 UTC. It's mean before 10 UTC you have to 26 August you have to install this update. This is important. So guys, just mention all the people, all the validators you might know on Twitter, and tell them to, or mail them to, tell them to install this update. This is very important and you guys can do this. So I will give you more information on that after the update is passed. And also, if you didn't subscribe my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. See you in the next video. Hope for the best update in the next video.